Hello and welcome back to the channel. As I do this one, Ricky is still on holiday, but he's actually heading home now, so he's making his way back down south, all the way from the Outer Hebrides. But I've been tasked with another job. On the Friday that Ricky broke up for his holiday and was actually heading home to get in the camper van, sent me a message saying, Lee, I'm really in it. He says, can you help me out? Of course. What's the problem, mate? Well, he says there's something wrong with my brakes. So this morning I've been over, dropped the ambassador off at Ricky's, and I've come home in the Venga bus. So let's fit some new brakes. But I've got a feeling when I took it for a spin last week, I noticed it pulling to the one side quite badly. That was after a bit of a run, so I think we've got a sticking caliper. Pretty common, quite an easy fix, hopefully. Stay tuned and let's go and have a look. So gracing the drive right now is the Venga bus. Look at that, awesome. Right, so yeah, I have had a look at the brakes anyway, but I couldn't see anything as to any problems. There's no scoring on the discs. The discs look really good. Yeah, they are a little bit warm. Oh yeah, one side's worse than the other. But it did pull to the left on me. After taking it for a good drive and, you know, being on and off the brakes on purpose, because Ricky says it was grinding, but I haven't heard a grind. However, I've heard a rumble, and that's usually once you get a little bit of brake fade. And of course I stood on the brakes when I was doing a decent speed, on purpose. I wanted to see how it was pulling, and obviously it snatched the steering wheel out my hand and pulled to the left, so quite frightening. So I've got a feeling we might have some brake fade on this side, maybe. So let's get it jacked up. I've got a new set of pads, so let's get the wheels off, get it jacked up, and see what we find. Okay, so the caliper slid back nice and easy. If it is a little bit dry, so I think it could be sticking a little bit. And there's a little bit of a lip on these discs, so I think we can, with some new pads, we can get away with the discs at the minute, and don't look too bad. They're not scored, but they are worn, so I would imagine next time it needs brake pads, I think it would be best to put some new discs on, but they'll be okay for now. But there is some slight discolouring there as well, so this disc has been getting a little bit warm. Yeah, it'll be okay. And as you can see on these pads, if I come out the sunlight, I don't know. I'm not sure if you can pick this up. Oh dear, get with it, Lee. Right, if you can see that, pick that up. There is a bit of wear on that pad there, where it's picking up on the wear in the disc, that lip that's on there. So I might just take the grinder to those discs actually and just fetch that outer edge off, because it is quite bad, and obviously put some new springs in here, because these do stick quite a lot. We had this problem with our last seed, and sometimes if the pads are not top quality, there's too much paint here, and they stick in there. So I tend to get the grinder on those as well and fetch a little bit off, so the pads are free to move. But yeah, she's looking good. She's okay. Just a simple brake pad swap, methinks. Bit of a grease up here and there. I'll pull these sliders out, put some new grease in there, make sure they're nice and free. Yeah, wicked. So I've just took some of that lip off the edge there, just to make the pads bed in a little bit better, so hopefully they're not going to catch on that. And the same on the other side, just take some of that lip off there because it was quite severe. Also, we've added some grease into the sliders. They're nice and free. So yeah, new pads, new clips, in she goes, no problem so far, which is strange because this was the side that I thought had got a little bit of brake fade, but Ricky did say that the grumbling was coming from the left. So okay, we'll have a look at the other, we'll put this back together and have a look at the other side. So there we are, all back together on that side. Obviously I'm leaving the wheel off because I want to bleed them up afterwards when we finish, but yeah, nice and easy, nothing untoward there. Odd. Okay, on the other side we've got the same thing going on with the disc. A little bit of a lip there which I'll take off with the grinder, but the pads are very stiff in there. So yeah, possibly a bit of a binding brake going on. Oh god, Jesus. Yeah, they're moving but not a lot. Yeah, okay, let's strip her down and get some new pads on this side, and a rinse and repeat of the other side. That's that all back together and disc nicely cleaned off there. So right, all I need to do now is get the assistance of my beautiful assistant, and we'll bleed these brakes up. That was the only reason why I brought the Venga back to my place, basically because I just needed someone to give me a hand bleeding the brakes up. So yeah, I do like Ricky's wheels though. I wonder if he'll notice if we put them on our Kia. Do you think we should, folks? I mean, they're only wheels. I'm sure he wouldn't mind. And he's got better tyres as well. Anyway, right, let's get these bled up.
Brakes?
Yes, brakes, please. That's the middle one. Can you reach the floor?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Right. The usual. Pump 3 times, hold on the 3rd. Obviously, I'm not going to put a tube on here because that's the way I roll. Okay. Same again.
1, 2, 3.
There's no air in there, that's pretty good. Okay, round to the other side. Okay, let it up. Thank you. You managing okay, yeah? Yes. Say hello to the folks.
Hello, folks.
Right, pump 3 times, hold on the 3rd.
1, 2, 3.
There's no air in there. Okay, that's it. Pump again. And again. What? Pump 3 times, hold on the 3rd.
1, 2, 3.
That's good. No air in there. Pump 3 times, hold on the 3rd if you want me. Dat on the bar. If the feeling is nay.
Is that it now?
Yeah, that's it now. Thank you. Alright, so let's bang the wheels back on. Take her for a spin. And before we do that, bit of that on there. All this just helps is the alloy wheel not to bond onto the disc there. There we go. Let's bang the wheel on. So that's the Venga all put back together, road tested, and yeah, brakes seem okay, nice and yeah, pull up nice and even, good pedal. Ricky's just got to give him a chance now to bed him properly, but yeah, she's all good. So I'm now going to take this back to Ricky's, go and fetch my ambassador and bring that back home, and then I'm going to put the missus's car on the drive and do exactly the same to hers, because her brake pads are gone as well. So yeah, all good fun. So it's non-stop today. So, but that's all from me. So that was just another quick video of me doing Ricky's Venga brake pads. All good, nothing too serious other than them discs needed a little bit of grinding off, bit of a lip on there. So I think next time round she could probably deserve some discs, but she'll be perfectly fine for this set of brake pads. So that's all from me in this video. Join me in another real soon. As the way they're going, it's one a day nearly. Right, you take care everybody, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I'm being told off. Have you finished? Oh, okay then. Right, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and as usual, take care of yourselves and each other. Bye.